Going to get back putting in this drainage pipe and try to finish up that or most of it today. Got a little help. My son's out here, so you'll see him pop in and out of the video every once in a while. Well, we'll get this started. Haven't gotten very far. It's some work. It is really hot out, hot and humid, and making everything go really slow. So we've been trying to keep it level through here, and we're just kind of pouring some water down and watch which way it flows. And if it flows towards the creek where we're headed to, that's a good thing. But we'll keep on chugging along. I'm not gonna let too much more. It's too hard, but two. Just wait. And it's not even June, July, or August yet. We left to go put up all the tools because we're done for today. Not done, but boy is it hot. And we left y'all behind. So I'm back to get you now. Sorry for the long waits there. Maybe I'll edit that out. All right, later.